This week, we put a 4x4 camper van to the ultimate test by taking it on an off-road trail to see what it's capable of. We're headed to Toquerville Falls in Utah, just outside of Oregon. And this was the first place we took our Jeep when we first hit the road and did a little off-roading in it. So we're gonna go back and relive some of that in the mode. See if we can put the 4x4 to work.
All right, going into four-wheel drive. Are you excited?
I am. I'm not sure we really need four-wheel drive right now, but looks a little rough.
Why not?
Why not?
Now, did you say you put it in 4-low?
Yes. It's not, the terrain is pretty steep and rocky, so with all the weight back here, I needed the 4-low to kind of help pull me up some of the stuff.
Ooh.
Working pretty well.
You're pretty tilted.
It's getting a little technical. You're gonna have to tell me which way to go through this.
Okay.
Charlie.
Did you enjoy the drive? Oh, she's gonna have so much fun in the waterfall.
Yeah.
Gonna have a wet dog.
It's a good thing we have that extra towel.
Mm-hmm. Well, shall we continue to the waterfall?
Sure.
Come on, Charlie.
Up. Good girl. Bugs all over the place. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna. So I think with the rack on the back, we've pretty much reached the limit of where we should go. If we had the rack off, I would go for it, but that's not gonna work. We could walk up and check it out.
Okay.
Pull over here to the side. If we go this way, come across, and right up the edge there, we should be fine.
Okay. Let's do it. Ooh, these bugs are nagging.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you over here.
Okay. So I'm gonna come up and over this way too.
Okay. You're good. You're good. Honey,
Yes?
I'm impressed.
Good driving?
Excellent driving.
Thank you. This thing is actually really easy to navigate around that stuff.
I'm
It's-
just so impressed.
It's kind of impressive what you can do with a fully loaded van with a motorcycle on the back.
I feel like we can make an entire video about Toquerville Falls in this van.
All right, well, let's go see the falls.
Okay.
Who knows what's waiting for us up the road?
Well, the gentleman we passed said you can camp down there.
Yeah, maybe we do that. I used to say that four-wheel drive was just for added insurance for a camper van and that you didn't really need it. You could go most of the places that you would want to without it. But now that we're using it and we've got the Quigley system with 4Low, I think it's almost a requirement. It is a requirement if you want to come out to places like this and you don't have a Jeep or something with you, because there's no way we would have made it out here with anything but a well-suited four-wheel drive vehicle.
I'm just so stoked that we're out here in a camper van.
Yes.
I can't believe we made it.
Yeah, some of the people we've driven past or that have been quite shocked that we've made it this far. I have no doubt it'll make it across. I'm just worried about, again, what might be underneath. There's a little exhaust thing under there, so since it's not our vehicle, I'm not gonna go for it.
I think that's a good call.
Plus, the last thing I would want is to get stuck.
Well, I'm so glad we made it.
Me too.
It's beautiful out here.
That was awesome. I never thought we'd be able to do that in a Class B camper van, but we did. Four-wheel drive got us here, and we want to say a big thank you to Storyteller Overland for letting us borrow their prototype Mode 4x4. This is not in production yet, so we're getting to test it a little bit, but that is the end of this video. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more cool content, head on over to we'retherussos.com. We'll see you next time. Bye.